Kiama kia Jubilee nigitanyitwo kugia na uge munene wona maingira ngwataniro-ini ya Azimio la Umoja thutha wa gwikanirira ngirimiti na ciama ingi ithathatu cia kiuteti. Hari ciama ici igite na thiriti na kiama kia Jubilee, kiama gia pamoja African Alliance rungu rwa governor wa Kilifi Amason Kingi na uria ukoretwo ni muthiriti wa kiama kia ODM no akauga ODM ikoretwo na utongoria utarathaitira mabata ma county cia gicua-ini.
The land question, the state of the economy, more particularly the coast economy, and the inclusivity of the coastal person in the government that will be formed after the general election.
Kiama kia Kenya Union Party rungu rwa governor wa West Pokot John Lonyangapuo ona thengia gukorwo ati kiama kia UDA nikio kironania guthamaka Rift Valley nikigite na uiguano na kiama kia Jubilee ngirimiti iria ikiritwo mukonde ni mwandiki munene wa Jubilee Raphael Tuju.
I have the pleasure of welcoming the top officials with whom we have just signed the agreement, and as I mentioned to you earlier, this is an agreement that will see us bring this country together.
Ona kio kiama gia PNU rungu rwa CS wa urimi Peter Munya nigikirite thairi ya uiguano na Jubilee.
We have signed the cooperation agreement today between the Party of National Unity and Jubilee. The journey of bringing the people of Kenya together is gaining momentum.
Igesha ciama iria cikanire ngirimiti ino ni kiama kia DAPK na kira kiracukagirwo kunyitanira na kiama kia ODM.
We are very excited and very happy to see the cohesion that is now building within the Jubilee family as we prepare to work with our other partners in ODM to build this movement that is going to change Kenya forever.
Mwaka wa 2020 kiama kia Wiper na KANU ni ciakanire ngirimiti ota ino na kiama kia Jubilee no kiuria kinene thutha uyu ni uria ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja ikagayana mieke ya kurugamia huraniri ithurano cia mweri wa kanana. Riri Raila Odinga hithuritie ati President Kenyatta ndegutiganiria uteti ona arikia itena riake. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.